Hi, my name is Otis, the host of Internet Nugget. I help business owners, site owners, and bloggers to improve their brand visibility online, increase their traffic, increase their rankings, and return on investment. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build backlinks from high-quality website. This is a great way to improve your site ranking in search engine result pages and get more traffic. If you are not familiar with backlinks, they are simply links from other websites that is pointing to your website. And remember that when a website linked to your site, what it means is that they are giving you or passing a vote of confidence to your site. Because the more links that you have, the more popular your website becomes. And that signals to Google and other search engines about the quality of your website. Do you know that building quality backlink can severely damage your website if you do it incorrectly? But if you do it rightly, you will see the result. You will see that your site, your keyword begin to show up in the first page or top position in search engine result pages. So today, I will be reviewing one of the tools that I have been using to build quality backlinks. My greatest challenge has been link building because it is time consuming, it is overwhelming, it is challenging. Searching for a quality traffic that have high domain authority, that have that is trusted by Google and other search engines. This is quite overwhelming. But since I discovered StanVentures SEO backlink building services, my position has changed. I have seen the movement in my keyword. I've seen increase in my ranking. So I've been able to improve the overall quality of my website. Before I move further, I just want to tell us who StanVentures is and what they stand for. StanVentures is an Indo-American SEO agency that is offering high-quality backlink services, manual blogger outreach program. If you are looking to get 100% manual link, guest post, contextual link placement with high domain authority and no spam, StanVentures might be your solution. Because if you didn't get your backlink building service right, you could earn a penalty for search engine like Google and Bing and others. So I have reviewed and tested StanVentures backlink building services. Even though that you are an SEO expert, you must remember that nothing beats your own due diligence than having the right partner and the right tool that will help you to implement your SEO strategy or your backlink building strategy. So there is an inherent risk when you outsource any digital service, especially backlink services. So it is important that you know that. And that is why you have to look for a partner that has been tested and proven over time with good review and good rating. And that is why I'm actually doing this video today to help you filter out and know the best link building services that you can outsource your backlink services to. So, before I just want to tell you, the good news is that they are offering 55% discount if you sign up with them today. And I'm going to put a link below this video. So please take advantage of that 50% discount if you want to launch your backlink building services, manual backlink building services that will help you to outrank your competitors. So they give you the variety of options before they actually get started. They send you the domain name, the website with the different domain authority with their equivalent traffic that they generate on monthly basis. But what you do is to actually go through these various options and look at the one that actually meets your need, the one that is relevant to your site, because Google also pay attention to that. That's one of those things that you're going to look for. It's not just high domain authority. It is not just about the traffic that the site that you want to link to your site generate, but how relevant it is to your site. So again, if you are looking to launch your backlink campaign, they are offering 55% discount, a time limited offer. Take advantage of the offer and get started today. But don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you get an alert when we release another new video. So we'll be on your way next week, same time. So I wish you good luck.